In this video, we'll begin a comprehensive exploration of the different methods and strategies you can use to seamlessly capture your life experiences. We'll break down the entire process into manageable steps, ensuring that you can easily capture and preserve your memories. We'll start by discussing the importance of documenting your life and how it can serve as a valuable tool for reflection and growth. From there, we'll move on to practical tips you can implement right away. These steps are designed to be simple yet effective, ensuring that you don't feel overwhelmed along the way. Start this exciting journey to preserve your memories in a way that is both meaningful and manageable. The primary goal is to ensure that documenting your life remains as effortless as possible. Whatever approach you decide to take, the key is to keep it straightforward. Don't fret. Our suggestions are designed to be versatile, whether you prefer journaling, snapping photos, or both. Simplicity is crucial, and leveraging your smartphone can make the process even more seamless. With just a few taps, you can start capturing moments instantly. It's incredibly convenient to jot down thoughts or memories quickly, freeing up your mind in under 20 seconds. Instead of getting bogged down by the technicalities of various cameras, like analyzing the differences in ISO, sensor sizes, shutter speeds, or resolutions, focus on the ease and spontaneity of your documentation method. The essence of keeping it simple is to avoid complications like dealing with batteries or external microphones. The message here is clear. Don't let technicalities hinder your creativity. Choose tools and methods that enhance your ability to document life's moments without adding unnecessary stress. Whether you're recording a quick voice memo, writing a brief note, or capturing a photo, the emphasis should be on the ease and immediacy of the process. The simpler your approach, the more likely you are to maintain the habit of documenting your life regularly. Focusing on user-friendly techniques and tools, you'll find it much easier to integrate documentation into your daily routine. The objective is to make the process enjoyable and natural rather than burdensome. Embrace the simplicity and let it fuel your creativity and consistency in preserving your life's journey. You need to start with clarity. The ideal way to begin after hitting a record is to describe your feelings for the day. Be remarkably specific. Mention your location, the people around you, your emotions, the weather, your plans, recent activities, and why you feel a certain way. These details are easy to articulate because no one knows you better than yourself, and they help generate a flow of ideas. This approach will help you get into a creative rhythm, and when it comes time to edit, you'll be grateful for your initial clarity. Another crucial point, which might sound cliché but is essential, is to have fun. If you don't enjoy the process, you won't stick with it in the long run. Give yourself the freedom to experiment and enjoy the process of documenting your life, whether through journaling, daily vlogs, or how-to videos. Patience is key. It's also simpler when you do it for yourself, without worrying about metrics or algorithms. Authenticity is what resonates with your audience, even if that audience is just friends and family. Your equipment should facilitate your creativity, not hinder it. Choose gear that you don't mind handling roughly. Be willing to place your camera in unconventional, even risky positions to capture unique angles and perspectives. The aim is to get the shot, whatever it takes. This adventurous spirit will add a dynamic and engaging element to your documentation, making it more compelling for both you and your viewers. In documenting your life, the key lies not only in the action itself, but also in the aura you bring to each moment. It's about weaving a tapestry of experiences, emotions, and surroundings into a story that's uniquely yours. Imagine you are the architect of your own story, with every detail contributing to the rich fabric of your existence. At the heart of this endeavor is the complex dance between your internal world and the external environment. Your emotional context, the physical space you inhabit, the changing moods of the weather, and the friendships you make all play a key role in shaping the chapters in your life story. Your life. Take on the role of this storyteller, and you'll discover hidden gems of what really resonates with you. Documenting your life is more than just capturing images or words. It's about channeling the energy of each moment into a symphony of self-expression. It's about embracing the role of storyteller in your own story, creating a unique story that is undeniably yours. And through this journey of introspection and creativity, you will discover a deep sense of fulfillment and authenticity that goes far beyond the mere act of note-taking. As a novice embarking on this journey, the question of what to capture may loom dauntingly. However, fixating on this detail is misguided. Instead, adopt a mindset of capturing everything in the moment, deferring the editing process for later. Creativity and inspiration are fleeting, but within your control lies your work ethic and discipline. Simply initiate the process of documenting your life, and creativity will naturally ensue. One of the greatest hurdles for many is the fear of judgment. Striving to eradicate judgment from this process is a formidable challenge. Yet, it's imperative to liberate yourself from the opinions of others, friends, colleagues, peers, or family. This is your personal artistic endeavor, devoid of external scrutiny. Envision yourself as both the subject and reporter of your own narrative. Engage in an internal dialogue, questioning and answering as you record or reflect upon your thoughts. Be gentle with yourself, infuse the process with joy, and eliminate unnecessary friction. Embrace enthusiasm for the long journey ahead. By cultivating self-compassion and relinquishing self-judgment, you'll authentically connect with your future self and captivate your audience. These guiding principles, if remembered, will pave the way for authenticity and resonance in your future endeavors. May these insights serve as valuable companions on your creative voyage. Thank you for accompanying us on this journey. Thank you for